In this video, we will be learning how to add a new vehicle to an already existing customer. First, up in the top left corner of the screen, click on the Customer Master button, which is the red, white, and blue icon. We are now in the Customer Master window, and we will search for the customer by clicking Find. Type in the customer information, with the results showing up here at the bottom. I want to add a vehicle to the customer Adam Johnson. Highlight the name by clicking on it once, and then click on Insert Vehicle. Go over to the right-hand side where the VIN location is, and type in the customer's VIN. Hit Tab, and it will decode the VIN for you. This happens to be a 2011 Nissan Rogue. Click on OK, and now this 2011 Nissan Rogue is linked to Adam Johnson. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to add a new vehicle to an already existing customer.